good morning. Yes.
Good morning.
Today is your Uni 1 oral test. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Number 1, what's your name?
My name is Yuzuna.
Very good. Number 2, look at picture. What's this?
It is a chair.
Very good. Number 3, what's this?
It is a map.
Yes. Number 4, what's this?
It is a ruler.
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 Yes, very good. Number 5, is it a bag?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Yes. Now can you read the school things? Okay, go.
What is this? Is it a toy? No, it isn't. Look, it is a school bag. And this is a pencil case. Is it a folder? Yes, it is. And this is a notebook.
This is
a notebook. This is a glue stick. Okay, what is this?
what's this?
What's this? It's a paint box. Look, open the box. Open the door. Please, Emily. Okay, thanks, Dad.
Very good. Yahoo, give me 5, please. And thank you for your joining our test and say goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you next time.